This is Brett Conway's Assignment 2 script. The threat that I researched for Assignment 2 is the rising permafrost temperatures in Alaska. Alaska is particularly vulnerable to permafrost thawing due to rising temperatures on an annual basis. According to Taylor PC, Maslowski, Perlowitz, and Wobbles, the rising temperatures are causing the permafrost to thaw and become more discontinuous. As they state, this is significant because this process releases additional carbon dioxide and methane, resulting in an amplifying feedback and additional warming. Forecasted environmental changes include continued glacial ice melting and increased surface temperature. According to the EPA, impacts on the local communities come in the form of higher difficulty navigating the land and food storage, according to the SmithsonianMag.com. They state that as permafrost melts, it causes even faster rates of ice melting and more severe temperature increases. The ice melting makes traveling across lakes or rivers more difficult and dangerous. The increased temperatures also shortens the length of time food can be stored using the primitive techniques many in Alaskan communities use. It never used to be like that. If it gets too warm, the food will spoil, coming from first-hand account. Solutions for this threat require efforts on a global scale. Carbon dioxide emissions need to be reduced so that greenhouse gases have less of an effect and global temperatures can finally see a slowed rate of increase. Many experts propose government enforcing cap and trade, emissions taxes, etc.